Welcome back. In this video we will write a C program to print half pyramid of star. The pyramid will look like this. So in the first line we will have one star, in the second line we will have two stars, in third line we will have three stars. So we can say that in nth line we will have n star. So for printing this pattern or this half pyramid we will require two variables. So two variables I and j. I for keeping track of line number. So I will be used for keeping track of line number and j will be used for printing star equal to line number. So if the line number is 1 then the number of star will be 1. If line number is 2 then the star will be 2. If line number is 5 then the star will be 5. So we will use two variable. The first variable I for keeping track of line and j for printing the stars equals to line number. So let's write the code and print this pattern. So I will require two variables as discussed, int I and j, and have a for loop I equals to 1, 2i less than equals to 5i plus plus. Why I am using 5 here? Because we have 5 lines in our pattern, that's why I am using 5 here. And then for j equals to 1, 2 j less than equals to 5j plus plus, and we will print star in this for loop. So printing star, and let's run this code, and after seeing the output we will modify our code to show this pattern. Let's run it. So we are printing star but all the stars in the same line, so let's break the lines. So after the first variable I is for line number, so after printing first line this will print first line, and then we will print the remaining star in the next line. That's why I will print a line break here. Let's run it once more and see. Now you can see that the stars are, there are 5 lines of star and each line contains 5 stars, and we have to reduce the number of stars. So in first line we will have 1 star, in second line we will have 2 star, in third line we will have these 3 stars, in fourth line we will have 4 stars, and in fifth line we will have 5 stars. So let's reduce the number of stars. So for I equals to 1, I want to run this for loop one time, so I will replace it by I, and then when I becomes 2 it will run for j equals to 1, 2 j equals to 2. When I becomes 3 it will run j equals to 1, 2 j equals to 3. Let's understand this in our text editor. So first I is equals to 1, then j equals to 1, 2 1 because the value of I is 1, then I will become 2, then I will increase, so j will be equals to 1 up to j less than equals to 2. So 2 I is 2 and j equals to 1, 2 it will run for 2 times. So for j equals to 1 it will print 1 star, and then the value of j will increase, and it will check is the value of j less than or equal to I. So the value of j is 2 and the value of I is 2. so the condition is true, so it will again print star, and then the j value of j will increase, it will become 3, and 3 less than equals to 2 is false, so it will break out of this for loop and put the cursor on the next line, and then increase the value of I by 1, so I will become 3, so I will become 3, and the code j equals to 1 2 3 will be executed, because now we are I is 3 and we will execute j equals to 1 2 j less than equals to 3, and likewise this our code will run up till I becomes 5, then j equals to 1 to j less than equals to 5, and it will print number 5 stars in line number 5, and then it will put the cursor in the next line and break out of this loop. So let's run it, and you can see our pattern is printed. We can do one more thing, we can take input the number of line from the user. So let take one input ij comma lines, printf enter number of lines in half pyramid, scanf %d and lines, and we replace the number 5 by our variable lines. Let's run it. So enter number of lines in half pyramid 3, so you can see we have got 3 lines in this half pyramid. Let's run it once more with a bigger number. Let's run it with 10, and you can see in the line number 10, let's count the stars 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so there are 10 stars in line number 10th. So this is the code to print half pyramid of stars. So we have achieved this by understanding this logic. That's it in this video. In the next video we will see code for printing half pyramid of numbers, which will look like this. We will print numbers instead of star, and we will continue from this video in the next video. Thank you very much.